Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a store on Squarespace. First, you will select a Squarespace template that best suits your brand and products. Next, add a new store page to your site's navigation menu. This will be the central hub for all your products. Finally, ensure you have chosen a Squarespace business plan or higher, as these plans include the necessary e-commerce functionalities to sell online effectively. Once your store page is ready, it is time to add your products. Go to your store page and click Add Product. You will then choose the product type, whether it is a physical item, a digital download, or a service. Upload at least 3 high-resolution images for each product and write clear, engaging descriptions. Remember to set your pricing, manage inventory, and define shipping options for every single item. Now, let's personalize your store and set up payments. You can customize the design of your store pages to align perfectly with your brand's aesthetic. Next, connect a reliable payment processor such as Stripe or PayPal to securely accept customer payments. Do not forget to configure your shipping methods, including flat rates or weight-based options, and set up any necessary tax rules. Finally, enable automated email notifications for order confirmations. Before launching, take a moment to thoroughly review every aspect of your store, from product descriptions to shipping costs. Once you are confident, publish your Squarespace website to make your online store officially live and accessible to customers worldwide. After launch, consistently monitor incoming orders and manage your inventory to ensure smooth operations. Remember to actively promote your new store across social media and other channels to attract your first customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.